For billions of years, life was slow and simple on Earth, with little change beneath the vast, quiet, prehistoric sky and oceans. Then suddenly, boom, around 541 million years ago, something incredible happened, and life exploded in its diversity underwater. The Cambrian explosion birthed eyes, shells, legs, claws, and spines, introducing every basic body type we see today in seas. Predators and prey evolved rapidly, with claws and spines emerging as hunting and defense tools in intricate underwater battles. These complex relationships created detailed ecosystems, a lively network where life forms competed and thrived together. Nature's creativity knows no bounds, continuously crafting new forms and complex life, shaping the world from deep time to today. Thank you for exploring the incredible Cambrian explosion with us, where life's diversity began in a brilliant burst of creativity. Stay curious and inspired by nature's endless wonders. See you next time.